Welcome to part 3 of Discrimination Education. In part 2, I promised that I would talk a little bit more about your rights whenever you file a charge of discrimination with the EEOC. And I want to talk a little bit about that, as well as why is it that a lot of people do not prevail when they bring charges of discrimination against their employer to the EEOC. You don't have to take my word for that. All you have to do is look at the statistics on the EEOC's own website. Now, part of that reason is because the EEOC is supposed to be impartial. That means that they're not going to be on your side, you as the charging party, and they're not supposed to be on the respondent side, your employer. And so basically what happens in that process is you bring the EEOC, you as the charging party, you bring them your allegations and your evidence and your reasons for why you believe that you are a victim of discrimination. And the respondent, who's your employer, they're going to argue against you and try to discredit you and try to use legal arguments to discredit every allegation that you're presenting. Now, even if you have an attorney helping you, an attorney can be very helpful in trying to argue your case. But at the same time, if you don't have an attorney, which a lot of people are trying to save money and they don't get an attorney, then if the EEOC, here's the big point, if they see just one little problem with your argument, one little problem with you didn't present it in a certain way, or you didn't debate a certain point, then they're not going to tell you that. They're not going to say, hey, you just need to fix this and then we can help you out. Why aren't they going to do that? Because they're impartial. They're not your advocate. They are only there to review what you present. And if you do not present a case, then you will not prevail. And so one of the things that I want to talk to you about in the next video is how you can prevail, and why is it that a lot of people who have attorneys or who contact attorneys, they tell them, hey, just tell me when you get the notice of right to sue letter. And so we'll talk about that in part 4. If you like this video, I want you to like it, share it, and please subscribe. My contact information is in the description. Thank you.